All right, hello and welcome. So if you're brand new to Linux, you're in exactly the right place. You're about to get your hands on one of the most powerful tools in all of tech. And guess what? We're going to take those very first steps together right now.
Okay, let's be real for a second. Does this look intimidating? Because I get it. The very first time you see this, just a black screen and that lonely blinking cursor, it can feel kind of empty, right? Maybe even a little bit scary. But here's the secret, the thing no one tells you. This little cursor is way more powerful than any icon you can click. It's how you talk directly to the computer. And trust me, it's going to be the best friend you make on this whole journey.
So, here's the best way to wrap your head around this. Let's think of the whole Linux system as your brand new house. It's all yours. And this command line, well, that's the key. It's the key that lets you go into any room, build whatever you want, and organize the whole place exactly how you like it. And today, we're going to learn how to use that key. All right, first things first. Before you can start hanging pictures or moving furniture, you've got to know how to walk around, right? You need to explore the rooms. So, these next three commands, they are the absolute basics for getting around your new digital home. First up, we've got PWD. Seriously, think of this as your own personal GPS. You know that feeling when you're a bit lost and you're not sure which room you've wandered into? Well, you just type PWD, hit enter, and boom. The system tells you exactly where you are. It's your "you are here" dot on the map.
Okay, great. So now you know which room you're in. What's next? Well, you're going to want to look around, right? For that, you just type ls. This command lists everything in the room with you. You'll see files, think of those as items on a table, and you'll see other directories, which are basically doors to other rooms. It's really as simple as that.
See one of those doors you want to go through? Perfect. That's exactly what CD is for. It stands for Change Directory. All you do is type CD, then the name of the directory you want to go into, and poof, just like that, you've walked right through the door into a new room. Okay, you can walk. Now it's time for the fun part. Let's get our hands dirty with a little project. You know, the best way to learn this stuff is just by doing it. So we're going to create and organize a little space just for us. I promise, this is going to boost your confidence right away. So here's the game plan. It's super simple. First, we're going to create a new directory. Let's call it a storage box. Then, we'll put something inside it. We'll create a file. After that, we'll give it a new name, just for practice. And finally, we'll tidy up. That's it. 4 easy steps. You ready? All right, step 1. Let's make that box. The command you need is mkdir, which, you probably guessed, is short for make directory. When you type mkdir my_project, you're literally just telling the computer, hey, build me a new empty box and slap the label my_project on it.
Okay, box made. Now let's actually put something inside it. The touch command is awesome for this. It's a super fast way to just create a blank file. So what we're doing here is reaching inside our My Project box and creating a file called notes.txt. It's like dropping a fresh, blank piece of paper right into the box.
You know what? Let's say we decide that note is actually really important. We can rename it using the mv command, which stands for move. Now, here's a cool little trick. Even though its name is move, you can use it to rename stuff too. We're just telling it, hey, that file in that box, change its label from notes.txt to important_notes.txt. And last but not least, let's clean up our mess. The rm command for remove is how you get rid of files. It's literally like taking that piece of paper out of the box and tossing it in the trash. But a quick heads up, be a little careful with this one. Unlike your desktop's trash can, when you rm something, it's usually gone for good. And just like that, you did it. You made a box, put something in it, changed its label, and then tossed it. See, when you break it down with the house analogy, it's actually pretty simple, isn't it? You've genuinely just learned the fundamentals of managing files on Linux. That's a huge step. Okay, so every house has its rules, right? In our Linux house, those rules are called permissions. And trust me, understanding who has the power to do what is absolutely one of the most critical things for using your new home safely. Yeah, this breakdown really says it all. Your normal user account, that's your personal house key. It gets you into your rooms, lets you move your stuff around. But then there's the super user, also known as root. Think of this as the landlord's master key. It can open every single door and change anything in the entire house. And the way you use that master key is with a special command, sudo. So you know the saying, with great power comes great responsibility? Well, it has never been more true than right here. That master key is unbelievably powerful.
It's great for things like installing new software or changing major system settings. But you could also accidentally break down a wall or throw out the plumbing. So my advice is simple. Always, always take a breath and double-check what you're about to do before you type sudo.
Okay, let's take a step back. You've learned to walk, you've organized your first room, you even know the house rules. That's awesome. So, you might be asking, what's next? Where do I go from here? Let's zoom out for a second and look at the amazing journey ahead.
No, seriously, I mean it. Give yourself a pat on the back. Mastering these first few commands, that's the foundation for literally everything else. You have officially unlocked the door. The whole house, this whole world of possibilities, is now open to you. And your journey is just getting started. From here, you're going to learn how to install all kinds of new tools and software. You'll learn how to automate boring tasks with scripts, check on your system's health to see how it's doing, and even connect to other computers all over the world. And the best part? Every single one of these new skills builds directly on the foundation you just built today.
And look, this isn't just for fun, though it is fun. This is why it really matters. The skills you are starting to build right now, these are the absolute bedrock for so many careers in tech today. We're talking about DevOps, system administration, cloud engineering, you name it. It all starts right here with that little blinking cursor.
So there you have it. You've got the key in your hand, you've taken your first few steps inside and started to make the place your own. The only question left is, what are you going to build in your new home? What amazing things are you going to create? The adventure is just beginning.